Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sajid Hassan and you're watching Smart Room. I'll try to solve your problem with my channel. You have to follow and subscribe my channel. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Are you a beginner in 3x3 Rubik's Cube? So you have to face 7 steps to solve the cube. Let's start the video. Step number 1. Create a white cross. Step number 2. Solve the white layer. Step number 3. Solve the second layer. Like this. Now, second layer means up of the white layer. Step number 4. Top of the white layer, you have to get a yellow cross. Step number 5. Get the right yellow cross. It means you have to match the yellow cross's edge color with the second layer color. Step number 6. Get the right corner of yellow cross. It means you have to match every corner of yellow cross with the second layer color. Step number 7. You solve the cube. Now you must have to know some movement names. So let me explain. If the white side is your front side, so this is your right side. If I slide up the right side, it's called R. And if I reverse that, it's called R apostrophe. R apostrophe. Let's go on the other side. This is your left side. If I slide up the left side, it's called L. If I reverse that, it's called L apostrophe. Let's do it again. L apostrophe. Now this is your front side, and this is your up side, and this is your down side. If I slide the upper layer to left side, it's called U, and if I reverse that, it's called U apostrophe. U, reverse, U apostrophe. This is your lower side. If I slide the lower side in the left side, it's called D, and if I reverse that, D apostrophe. D apostrophe. This is your front side. If I slide the front layer on right side, it's called F. If I reverse this, it's called F apostrophe. Let's do it again. F apostrophe. This is your front side, and this is your back side. Slide the back at the left side, it's called B. Reverse, B apostrophe. B apostrophe. You must have to practice at home. This is your front side. F, B, R, L, U, D. We know all of moves. Now we will know their every piece's name of this cube. This is the centerpiece, and these 4 are edges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 called edges, and these 4 are corner pieces. Let's learn an algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, and U apostrophe. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Do it 6 times, it will solve automatically. This is the second time. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Again, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Solve automatically. Let's shuffle the cube. Now, we will solve the cube step by step. Step number 1. create the white cross. The white cross. I'll solve the white cross in this cube. This is the white color and this is the yellow. You have to got 4 white edges in yellow center. One edge is already here. And there is a second one. Turn like this to get the edge in the yellow center. Here is the other edges. Turn like this to get them in the center. Our 4 edges are here on the yellow center. You don't have to care about this one. You have to match the other color of white edges with the second layer center color. Here is the orange is already matched. Look, the green one is also matched. But the blue one and the red one are not matched. So you have to turn the combined edges into the white center. Like the clockwise. This is the right edge for the white cross. One edge is done. Turn the second combined edge into the white cross. Like clockwise. This red edge are not combined. So you can turn it now. You have to find the red center with the rotate the upper layer. We found it. Now you can turn clockwise. Do it again with the blue edge. We found it. Now we can turn it like clockwise. We have finished the first step, done the white cross. Don't care about this piece. Solved. Step number 2. Solve the white layer. Let's do it. We have to find the right corner pieces of white corner. This one is not right corner. Let's find out every white corners. This is the white corner with red and blue. You have to find the perfect position for this corner piece. This is the perfect position for this corner piece. Turn the corner piece on the top of the right position. We have to turn and get the right position for this corner piece. And we have to give it up the white cross. How do you do this? You remember? You know an algorithm. Use this algorithm now. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. We solve the corner. We have to find another corner. This is the corner with white, green and red. Get the corner top of the right position. This is the right position for this corner. Use an algorithm again. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. We solve the second corner. Let's find out the next white corner. Here is it. White, orange and blue. Turn it to the top of right position. This is the right position for this corner. Use the algorithm 5 times. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to use the algorithm again and again until the corner matches. This time we use 5 times. Now find out the last one. Where is it? Where is it? Here is it. Look, we found it. Now use the algorithm 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. We have done the white layer. Step number 3. Solve the second layer. You have to take the white layer on your downside. Then you have to find the edge which one will match with the second layer center color. But without the yellow color. This edge will turn into this side. You have to use an algorithm. Look, the top color is on your left side, so you have to use left-handed algorithm. This algorithm is U apostrophe L, U apostrophe L apostrophe U, then turn the cube left side, and R, U, R apostrophe. We solved the first edge for the second layer. Now we have to find another edge without yellow color. You can turn the upper layer. We find the green and orange color. Look, the matched color is on your right side, so you have to use a right-handed algorithm. Right-handed algorithm is U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Then rotate the cube, then L, U apostrophe, L apostrophe. We have done the second edge of second layer. Let's find out the other edges. We find it and combine with the second layer color. This time we have to use a left-handed algorithm. Let's do it. U apostrophe L, U apostrophe L apostrophe U. Then rotate the cube left side, then R, U, R apostrophe. Solve other edge. This is the last edge. This edge will solve with right-handed algorithm. Let's do it. U, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Rotate the cube, L, U apostrophe, L apostrophe. Solve the second layer. Step number 4. A yellow cross. You have to get a yellow cross on the upper layer. Don't care about the right edge. Just create a yellow cross. You have to use this 2 algorithm at 2 times. This is your front, F, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, and F apostrophe. Now you got 2 yellow edges. Now we will take 2 layers from front side, like this. Okay? Then use this algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Then reverse to back those 2 front layers. See? Yellow cross is done. Step number 5. Get the right yellow cross. Rotate the top layer to find 2 combined yellow edge with the second layer color. These 2 edges are combined and these 2 are not combined. So you have to take 1 combined on your left side and 1 on your back side. Then use this algorithm. U, R, U, R apostrophe, U, R, U2, R apostrophe. We got the right yellow cross. See? Step number 6. Get the right corner of the yellow cross. Look up. This is the red, blue, and the yellow edges corner. And the corner is also yellow, blue, and red color. It means this is the right corner. These 3 are also on the right position. Let's do with some algorithm. Look, this one is already solved, but the rest are not solved. Now we have to use another algorithm, and this algorithm will turn this side into this side with right-handed algorithm, and this piece will stay here. We're going to use the algorithm. The algorithm is U R U apostrophe L U R apostrophe U apostrophe L apostrophe. See, this corner is solved. Now we will solve the other corners and take this corner into this side because this algorithm saved this corner. Then use the algorithm again. See, this corner is not solved yet. So do it again. Now look, this corner is solved and this corner too. Now we just have to solve these two corners. These are on the right position, not wrong. Step number 7. Solve the cube. This step is the finisher goal for 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let's do it. We have to solve these two corners. And these two corners is already solved. Let's solve it with an algorithm. You have to use this algorithm 4 times. The algorithm is U R apostrophe U apostrophe R. 1 2 3 and 4. Look at this. This side is solved. But now we have to solve this corner. So rotate the front layer like this. Then use the algorithm 2 times. 1 2. Then back the front layer. Look at this. Our 3x3 Rubik's Cube is solved. Now you can solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Like the video, share with friends, follow and subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of problem with any cube, you can ask me at the comment section. See you in the next video.